Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
How to download copy of a patent specification. Normally, it will not be necessary for us to tell you how to download a copy of a patent specification. But in this case, taking things out of the patent office could be tricky. So I'll just explain you through this short lesson on how to look for things in the Indian Patent Office website. Now, once you come to the Patent Office website, there is this place where you can see the grant public search of granted patents. Once you click on it, you will go to a page that looks like this. You can enter the patent number here. We know this patent number. You would have seen this before. This is the patent number which we used for discussing the Bajaj case, the Bajaj's patent for the twin spark plug in an internal combustion engine employing 4-stroke technology. Now, we search on it. We add the CAPTCHA, and when we press search, we go to a page that looks like this. It gives you an application number and it gives you the title of the invention. Now, once you click here on the application number, you are taken to a further page which opens the details of the application. You have the invention title, the publication number, application filing date, then the category field of invention, an abstract, complete specification. Now, this is where you can find the complete specification and the claims. It ends with the claims. Now, but this is not where you can download stuff. Now, for that, you need to move further. Now, you need to come to this part, the patent e-register, and fill in the patent number and enter the code. And this thing opens up. For the particular patent that you have searched for, you get details on next due date of renewal, which is in July, and you have details about the patent. You will find the renewal fee that has been paid. All this is public record, and you will find this button called View Documents. Okay, when you press on this button, you will find it will take you to this page. A host of PDF documents are loaded, right from the initial application that was filed, all the forms. You have to closely read them. This is the title page and the provisional, which was filed in 2002. Now, this is the title page of the granted. Now, there are description drawings. Now, we are interested in the claims. This one, claims as granted, and also in the claims as filed. Now, that will be the normal complete, this one. So I've already downloaded these two documents. I'll just show them to you.